Hello and welcome back to Blue World Foods, the podcast where we empower you to both prevent and reverse chronic disease. Today we're continuing our discussion on medical misinformation and why the United States has the shortest lifespan of all industrialized countries. In our last episode, we provided evidence that approximately 50% of all clinical research is factually incorrect based on bias, conflicts of interest, and unethical practices. So up next, what about your medical doctor? Not only are they receiving this clinical research that's about 50% untrue, but as David Sackett, the father of evidence-based medical movement, is quoted as saying, all, not some, all of the medical information that is being taught in medical school will in 5 years either be outdated or proven wrong. So think about that for a minute. Has your doctor been out of school for at least 5 years? And what about the research being done on preventing and reversing chronic diseases with lifestyle treatments? You know, eating healthy and exercising. Peter Libby, chairman of the Cardiovascular Disease Research Center at Harvard, stated it best. I know lifestyle intervention works, but I can't get $5 to study lifestyle, but I can get $150 million to study a drug. Because so few companies stand to make money off of the research on lifestyle, nutrition, and exercise, except maybe your local gym, the NIH does spend enough money on lifestyle research to have created thousands and thousands of studies on the absolutely monumental effect that lifestyle does have on preventing and reversing chronic disease. The problem is, again, your doctor is not aware of all of this research because they're constantly being pushed by the pharmaceutical companies to spend the little time that they have each week reading their research. A Harvard report on all medical schools in the United States stated that less than 1% of lecture time in the universities is spent on learning about the effects of diet on health, and almost no time spent on the physiological effects of exercise on health. The net effect of all of this is that doctors and our healthcare system is actually a sick care system. All the training, all the big pharma research is done on managing acute health failure, not on actually getting healthy and staying healthy. As always, please check out our mission at www.blueworldfoods.org. Donate if you're able, and please like, subscribe, follow, and share these videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.